In this video, I will show you 10 creative ideas for shooting with the Insta360 Go 3. This miniature camera, the size of my finger, allows you to capture the most unusual scenes. You can purchase the new Insta360 Go 3 through the link in the description. The first effect is flying through narrow obstacles. Attach a selfie stick to the Go 3, find a small opening and smoothly slide the camera through it. This effect resembles the flight of an FPV drone, but even the smallest FPV drone wouldn't be able to fly through such narrow openings. I also recommend using an action pod to set up the frame. With the help of the screen, you can see how well the scene is framed for the shooting. It's an incredible result that can only be captured with the smallest action camera. The next effect is focusing on the subject. The idea was to capture the new drone in the air. For this, I needed a super compact and super lightweight camera. Balance is crucial in a drone, so to compensate, I attached 2 batteries to the rear arms of the drone. The second attempt was successful, and we were flying. The Insta360 Go 3 worked perfectly for this type of shooting. The Go 3 comes with a magnetic mount, primarily intended for shooting POV footage. However, with a little creativity, you can attach the camera to interesting places. The pizza box is a great spot to place the Go 3. You can use the same method to creatively film any unboxing videos. You can attach this miniature camera to the tiniest FPV drone. For FPV, I recommend installing an ND filter and adjusting the manual settings. It's very easy to control the settings of the Go 3 using the action pod. Everything is ready, time to fly. For the best FPV stabilization, I recommend shooting in free-frame camera mode and then stabilizing the footage in the Insta360 Studio. One cool feature of the Go 3 is that at the same time we can get footages in both vertical ratio for Instagram and horizontal ratio for YouTube. The backside of the Go 3 is magnetic and can stick to any metal surface. This allows you to attach the camera to unusual places and easily capture beautiful scenes. Go3 is completely waterproof, and it's also the smallest waterproof camera. This allows you to shoot creative scenes involving water. For example, you can capture the effect of diving underwater, submerge the camera in water, or simply jump into a pool. Insta360 Go3 is best suited for shooting POV footage. It's very easy to attach the camera to a chest using the magnetic mount. The package also includes a mount for attaching it to a cap. You can go even further and attach the camera to your goggles. This tiny camera is almost invisible, very lightweight, and won't interfere with your shooting. The Go3 is perfect for shooting cooking scenes. You can easily attach the small camera to a knife, place it in a glass of water, or even capture the process of making toast. With the Go3, you can capture POV shots of your dog or cat. In my case, instead of a cat, I have a remote-controlled car. I placed the camera inside it and got incredible POV shots from the car's perspective. We all love it when cameras fly. I have a secret life hack for you. Attach the Go3 to a coconut using duct tape. Then, with a good swing, throw the coconut as far as possible. Voila! The camera is flying. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next episode.